When you're working with electronics, fixing something around the house, or troubleshooting a car battery that just won't cooperate, having the right digital multimeter can make all the difference. But with so many options out there, finding one that's accurate, reliable, and actually worth your money isn't always easy. So in today's video, we're counting down the 5 best digital multimeter testers that stand out for performance, features, and overall value, whether you're a beginner, DIY enthusiast, or professional technician. And if you want to check the updated prices and learn more about each product, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 5. MASTFUYI FY890C+ Pro Digital Multimeter. This multimeter honestly feels more like a full professional toolkit packed into one device rather than a simple measuring tool. Imagine you're doing an electrical repair at home or checking a solar setup, and you need something that doesn't just give you basic readings, but something you can actually trust when things get serious. That's where the MASTFUYI Pro really comes in. Right away, what makes it stand out is its massive measurement range. It can handle up to 2000 volts and 20A, which is not something you see every day in handheld multimeters. So whether you're working on household wiring, industrial equipment, or even photovoltaic solar systems, it's built to keep up without breaking a sweat. But what really makes it feel smart in real use is the safety side of things. It comes with smart anti-burn protection and non-contact voltage detection, which basically helps protect you from mistakes before they become dangerous. If you've ever worried about accidentally misreading a line or touching the wrong wire, this feature alone brings a lot of peace of mind. And users actually seem to feel that difference. One customer mentioned it's easy to operate and good quality, while another simply said, "Looks great, already tried it." Simple feedback, but it shows something important: it just works without complications. There's also a clear, high-resolution 6000 count display, audible continuity alarms, temperature measurement up to extreme ranges, and even LED and transistor testing. In real life, that means whether you're troubleshooting a circuit at night or checking a faulty component, you're not switching between multiple tools, you've got everything in one device. And with its rubber protective casing and backlight display, it's clearly designed for rough environments too. Drop resistance, dust protection, and easy visibility make it practical for both beginners and professionals alike. Number 4. FNIRSI DMT99 Digital Multimeter. The first thing you notice when you pick up the FNIRSI DMT99 is that it doesn't feel like a normal multimeter at all. It feels modern, almost like a smart device rather than a traditional testing tool. And that impression actually continues the moment you turn it on. That 2.4-inch full-color display lights up clearly, and instead of dealing with confusing knobs and manual range settings, the device just figures things out on its own. You place the probes, and it immediately tells you what you're measuring: voltage, resistance, continuity, even capacitance, without you having to think too much about settings. For a lot of beginners and even experienced users, that alone makes it feel like a huge upgrade. In real-world use, this is where it starts to shine. Imagine you're checking wiring in your home or troubleshooting a car electrical issue. Normally, you'd keep switching modes, double-checking settings, and trying not to make mistakes. But here, the smart auto recognition takes away most of that hassle. You just focus on the problem, not the tool. People who've used it often say the screen is one of their favorite parts. Even in low light, like under a car dashboard or behind appliances, the readings stay sharp and easy to read. It doesn't feel like you're struggling to see tiny numbers anymore. And then there's the safety side, which really matters in real situations. The NCV non-contact voltage detection helps you quickly check if a wire is live without touching it. One user mentioned how it helped them confidently identify a live wire during a quick home repair, saving time and avoiding unnecessary risk. That kind of reassurance makes a big difference when you're working with electricity. Another thing that stands out is the recording and monitoring modes. Instead of just showing a single reading, it can track changes and even alert you when values go above or below a set level. It's the kind of feature that feels advanced, but in practice, it just makes troubleshooting easier and more organized. And despite all these features, it still feels compact and easy to carry, almost like a small gadget you can throw into your pocket or toolkit without thinking twice. Plus, the rechargeable battery means you're not constantly worrying about replacing cells in the middle of a job. By the time you're actually using it for real tasks, the FNIRSI DMT99 doesn't feel like a complicated instrument. It feels like a smarter assistant that helps you get electrical work done faster, safer, and with a lot less guesswork. Number 3. ZOYI ZT703S Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. This is where things start getting seriously interesting, because this isn't just a multimeter anymore. It feels more like carrying an entire electronics lab in your hand. Imagine you're out in the field, checking a car sensor that's acting strange, or troubleshooting a circuit at home that just refuses to behave. Normally, you'd need a multimeter, maybe an oscilloscope, and if you're testing signals, a signal generator too. But with the ZOYI ZT, all of that is packed into one compact handheld device. And the first thing you notice when you actually use it is the screen. The 3.5-inch IPS display makes everything surprisingly clear. Waveforms don't feel cramped or confusing. You can actually see what's happening in real time. Whether you're measuring voltage, checking frequency, or analyzing signal shapes, everything feels organized and easy to read, even in a dim garage or a cluttered workbench setup. Now here's where it gets even more impressive. This isn't just a multimeter with a few extra features slapped on. You're getting a dual-channel 50 MHz oscilloscope with high-speed sampling, which means you can compare two signals at the same time. For anyone working on automotive electronics, repairs, or circuit diagnostics, that's a huge advantage. It helps you catch problems a standard multimeter would completely miss. And real users seem to agree on its practical value. One customer mentioned they were genuinely surprised by how capable the oscilloscope was for the price, saying it handled 20 MHz sine waves and high-speed square waves without trouble. Another user described it as their take-everywhere meter, using it constantly for everyday diagnostics simply because it's so convenient. Even the simpler reviews keep repeating the same message: it works well, it's quick to use, and it feels reliable for real-world tasks. Of course, it also includes a built-in signal generator, allowing you to output different waveforms for testing circuits. Some users say it wasn't the main reason they bought the device, but when they actually needed it, it became an incredibly useful bonus feature. What really makes this stand out is the portability. With a rechargeable battery, USB-C charging, and a compact design, you can easily throw it into a bag and take it anywhere without a second thought. So this isn't just about specs, it's about convenience, versatility, and having a serious diagnostic tool that genuinely makes troubleshooting easier in real-life situations. Number 2. UNI-T UT61B Plus Digital Multimeter. Imagine you're troubleshooting something simple, maybe a car battery that keeps draining overnight, a power supply acting strangely, or even a DIY electronics project where tiny measurement errors can completely ruin the result. That's where the UNI-T UT61 Plus series really starts to shine, because it's not just giving you readings, it gives you confidence in those readings. One of the first things people notice is how fast and accurate it feels. Measurements update quickly, and the true RMM support means AC readings stay reliable even with unstable loads. The overall experience simply feels professional. You don't get that slow, uncertain behavior that cheaper multimeters often have. What I really like is that UNI-T clearly designed this for real-world use, not just to look good on a specification sheet. The body is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry around, and many packages even include a protective case and extra probes. Whether you're working at a repair bench, checking industrial equipment, or fixing appliances at home, it feels practical and comfortable to use. The safety features are also reassuring. You get audible and visual warnings for high voltage, solid input protection, NCV detection, and reliable overload protection. In fact, one customer mentioned they accidentally miswired the meter during a battery-powered project and pushed an overcurrent through it for about a second, and surprisingly, the multimeter survived without any damage. That's the kind of durability that really matters over time. Another big advantage is versatility. This isn't just for professional electricians. It works great for automotive diagnostics, household repairs, batteries, circuit boards, and even electronic students learning advanced testing. One engineering student even said this multimeter was more than enough for their entire electronics journey, and honestly, it's easy to understand why. Then there's the USB communication feature, which becomes incredibly useful if you like logging measurements or analyzing data on a computer. It's one of those features you may not think you need at first until you start using it regularly. And judging by customer feedback, people genuinely seem impressed with the value. Many buyers praised the fast delivery, excellent build quality, accurate readings, and premium accessories included in the box. Several even mentioned that it performed far better than they expected the moment they turned it on. So if you're looking for a multimeter that feels dependable, professional, and advanced enough to grow with your skills, without stepping into extremely expensive territory, the UNI-T UT61 Plus series easily earns its spot near the top of this list. Number 1. UNI-T UT117C High Precision Multimeter. This is the kind of multimeter that feels different the moment you turn it on. Not because it's flashy or packed with unnecessary gimmicks, but because everything about it feels refined, fast, and dependable. And when you're working with electronics, troubleshooting power issues, or even diagnosing something simple at home, that kind of confidence matters more than people realize. Imagine trying to track down an unstable voltage problem in a power supply. Cheap multimeters often lag, fluctuate, or give readings that make you question whether the problem is real or not. But the UT117C responds quickly and stays accurate, thanks to its 60,000 count high-precision display and true RMS capability. Whether you're measuring household AC power, testing sensitive electronics, or checking automotive systems, the readings feel reliable and trustworthy. And that's one of the biggest reasons people genuinely like this meter. Many users mention how surprisingly precise and lightweight it feels. One customer described it as perfect value for the price, especially considering the level of accuracy it offers. Another praised how responsive and dependable it is during everyday work, which is exactly what both professionals and hobbyists want from a tool like this. What really makes the UT117C stand out, though, is how practical it feels in real-world situations. You're getting AC and DC voltage measurement up to 600 volts, current measurement up to 10 amps, plus features like Lowe's mode, LPF filtering, and auto volt detection. Those features might sound technical at first, but they actually solve real problems that electricians and technicians deal with every day. For example, LPF helps stabilize readings when working around noisy electrical equipment or variable frequency drives. Lowe's helps eliminate ghost voltages that can confuse cheaper meters. And AutoVolt makes testing circuits much faster because the meter automatically detects whether the voltage is AC or DC, so you spend less time changing settings and more time getting the job done. That means less frustration, less guessing, and a much smoother experience overall. And despite all these professional-level features, the meter never feels bulky or complicated. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around all day, whether you're climbing ladders, working in a workshop, or keeping it inside a tool bag for field jobs. UNI-T also designed it to survive a 2-meter drop, which says a lot about who this tool is built for: people who actually use their equipment every single day. Another surprisingly useful feature is the Bluetooth app support. Being able to monitor or log readings directly from your phone adds a level of convenience you normally wouldn't expect at this price point. It also supports external current clamps, making it even more flexible for advanced electrical work in the future. And then there's the overall user experience. Multiple buyers praised the excellent build quality, fast shipping, and reliability right out of the box. One review simply said, "Works perfectly." And honestly, that short sentence probably describes this multimeter better than anything else. Because at the end of the day, that's what you really want from a professional meter. Something that turns on quickly, gives accurate readings, survives real working conditions, and simply makes your job easier. The UNI-T UT177C does exactly that. And that's why it confidently earns the #1 spot on this list. So those were the 5 best digital multimeter testers worth checking out right now. From beginner-friendly budget options to professional-grade diagnostic tools, there's something here for every skill level and budget. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews, tool breakdowns, and buyer guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.